I found the words to say how I feel, but I just can't spell them. I lost the nerve in a Suffolk field, so you can tell them that I'm a different man with a different tune. I didn't find love until last June, but I lost it, just like I lost it all. I tried to use it to break my fall, 'cause I need something, anything, to replace you, or something close.